Hello everyone, welcome to English Tutor once again with another very interesting topic on prepositions. In, on and at, they are very commonly used and are often confused also. In, on, at are called preposition of time because ये time convey करने में help करते हैं. तो आज हम यही तीनों prepositions को डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे ताकि गलती ना हो. At is often used for a precise time. It conveys the idea of specific time or hour of the day. In is used with months, years, centuries, or when we are telling about long periods. And on is used for dates and days. Coming to at first, as we've already discussed, at is used to convey precise time. It is used to convey the specific time or hour of the day. For example, at 9 o'clock, I'll reach school at 9 o'clock. पूरे 9 बजे मैं स्कूल पहुंच जाऊंगा. My father left for office at 10 a.m. At noon, we are meeting at dinner. At bedtime, at sunrise, at the moment, at Christmas, at Easter, etc. So when is in used? We use in with months, years, centuries और long periods. In use होता है months के साथ, साल के साथ, centuries के साथ या long periods को बताने के लिए. Examples where we use in is like in August. He always come to us in August. In spring, flowers blossom in spring. In the summer, we go for holidays in the summer. In 2009, he was born in 2009. 1990, my father got job in so and so company in 1990s. In the next century, in the Iron Age, in the past or in the future. On is used with dates and days. Dates and days, तारीख और दिनों के साथ on use किया जाता है. For example, on Sunday, my sister is coming on Sunday. On Mondays, I always have divinity class on Mondays. On 15th July, on 20th December 2017, my father got this job on 20th December 2017. On Diwali, on Republic Day, we had a parade in my school on Republic Day. On my birthday, I'll be enjoying with my friends on my birthday. On Christmas Eve. Let's have a look at the examples and see how prepositions are used in the following examples. For first one is, I have a class at 9:30 a.m. The shop closes at midnight. In England, it often snows in December. Do you think we can reach Jupiter in the future? Do you work on Sundays? His birthday is on 5th February. Do the given exercise on your own. You know the concept where and when to use preposition of time. Fill in the right preposition in the given exercise. Hope you've enjoyed this dose of learning. If you really enjoyed it and learned, do not forget to subscribe and like the channel English Tutor.